a pilot episode kind of thing of the unreality. What the This is a podcast that we have been talking about for quite a long time, but I think अभी हमको time मिला to actually work on it, though it was in the plan के करना है. So yeah, this is like the pilot episode. इसके बाद 5 और episodes आएंगे which will cover the topics of the much talked about topics of the paranormal world, and बहुत सारे topics होंगे. We'll have some good discussion and talks, and we'll share some trivia, some experiences and everything about them. And yeah, this is like a pilot episode, and this podcast is also available on Spotify and iTunes and every other podcast platform. So yeah, it is available. And talking about paranormal, हम लोग की book आ चुकी है in the market. The Speds Talk to Me, as you can see, and it is available on Amazon. It is available in bookstores near you. It is co-authored by veteran horror writer Neil D. Silva and is published by Hachette India. So yeah, books का है, but उसके पहले we actually had an investigation last night.
Oh yes.
And वो आ जाएगा चैनल पे, आपको दिख जाएगा.
But I think that was one of the investigations जो कि उस इतना डिले हुआ है.
Oh wait, before that, those who are listening it on Spotify, if you want to check it on YouTube, there will be a link to check out our channel. But for those who are watching on our YouTube channel, this is the podcast look. I never कभी पहना नहीं है specs, though I have power and everything. I wear it at home. Never in front of a camera, but yeah, this is the podcast look. ताकि लोग थोड़ा सा seriously ले हमें because we discuss serious stuff. Yeah, you're talking about something.
Yeah, so where was I? हाँ, so the investigation. So this was one of the investigations I think जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा delay हुआ है. And plus there were things happening even before we went for the investigation.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So what happened is, I don't know if you people follow us on Instagram and Twitter and all. So Twitter पे मैंने एक चीज़ डाली, and I think Instagram पे भी डाला मैंने बाद में, that I think Pooja was doing something. I was on the laptop doing something, and I was just thinking about that very place, क्योंकि हम लोग का ये काफ़ी दिनों से प्लान चल रहा था कि जाके इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है, and that
and somehow it was getting delayed. कभी बारिश पड़ रही है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. It was getting delayed, and it was as if there was some kind of an intervention जो कि हमें वहाँ पर नहीं आने देना चाह रहा.
and but that's not the weird part. The weird part is कि, like I was saying, कि जब मैं I was just sitting on the laptop, and not on the laptop, I was sitting in front of the laptop and I was working. And फिर I was thinking about the place के यार, because the place it's magnificent, it is beautiful, and it is in ruins completely, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पे जाने को. It's a very different place.
Very spooky.
Yeah,
very spooky.
And I was thinking कि past investigation में क्या क्या हुआ है, and हम लोगों ने कैसे वहाँ पे we have gathered a lot of evidences वहाँ
पे. And I think you were just planning things.
हाँ, I was just thinking about the place, and 5 minutes to what I was thinking, and I feel this burning sensation right here. Right next to my eye, and I was thinking कि ये जल क्यों रहा है. So I thought maybe some adult problem or something like that. So I ignored it, but it continued for the next 10-15 minutes, and I was like हो क्या रहा है. Now mind you, I don't wear any rings, I don't have long nails, and I don't touch my face a lot. And मेरे दोनों हाथ were on the table जब मैं काम कर रहा था, and जब इतना burning continuously हुआ, I got up and I went to the washroom to check कि कि हुआ क्या वहाँ पे. And when I see there is a scratch mark right here.
It was a clear scratch. He came running to me that what the hell is this?
And it was weird because it has never happened, and it actually shocked me and surprised me in a way कि paranormal world कितना mysterious हो सकता है, कितना
very because Before investigations, ऐसा I think this is not the first time, but scratch I think first time आया है
Yeah.
before an investigation, but weird things have happened. Bulbs फूट जाना and energy feel होना even before we go to the location.
Yeah, it has happened to you. It has happened to Savio. It has happened to the
Yes.
psychics.
It has happened.
I'm not a psychic.
Exactly. So probably because we were together, इसलिए
Possible, but you didn't feel anything.
I didn't feel anything that day.
And there was, it's like I was just thinking about it. I was not
Yeah.
even watching a video or watching uske photographs. There's no way I was connecting to the energies of that place. I was just thinking, and that scratch mark was so evident. It was not के दिख रहा है नहीं. It was all swollen up. And मैंने उसका फोटो भी लिया. मैंने बोला पूजा को कि टेक ए फोटोग्राफ. मैंने फोटोग्राफ भी डाला है on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, हर जगह डाला. Because it was so astonishing and it has never happened with me especially, and that showed that place, irrespective of what was happening, that place sort of was giving us a warning. I don't dare
Definitely.
coming. I don't know.
Definitely.
But
I mean, the first time postponed हुआ हमारा, and I was like that something is stopping us from going there.
yeah,
And when you went before the investigation for a pre-investigation,
yeah.
You mentioned कि वहाँ की vibes बदल चुकी
It totally had changed. I went with one of our members, Narendra and
Yes.
Narayan Bhaiya, and I went with him to do a Reiki basically.
Yes.
To find out if the place is still good to investigate, because it's in ruins. So we had to check if it is safe for the members to go in.
Yeah, it was just after the cyclone जो कि आया था, so we definitely had to
Yeah.
make sure that it is safe to go, because as it is place ruins में है,
And of course it was destroyed.
Yeah.
To some parts were completely destroyed, but some parts were still intact. And हमने सोचा कि जाके देखते हैं, and the vibes had changed. So that was different. And अभी just recently हुआ, आधे घंटे पहले, you will see it in the video of course when it will be out. I think you might have already watched before
I think
this
the video
podcast.
will come before the podcast
Yeah.
comes. Yeah.
So I think what happened was I was going through footages of the investigation, and I hear some kid shouting or like playing or
Yes.
something, and it's
Yes.
like the बच्चे लोग खेलते ना, like the ringa
पीछे
ringa
से,
rose
हाँ,
वाला.
that kind of sound, and there were no kids.
So basically, to those who are watching and those who are new to this, I mean, like this is your first video on our channel, then please do subscribe first of all. And second thing is to give you an idea कि वो place कैसा है. So for example, I don't know why I'm keeping this thing here, but if this is the entire place, then the building is in the middle of barren land. Not barren completely, there are long trees, but
there's nothing around.
Around it.
There's nothing around it. एकदम secluded सी
Yeah.
location है वो. So there was no chance of any kid being around.
And जो recording हुई है voice की, it was recorded in a GoPro camera.
Yeah.
And GoPro cameras are not that sensitive कि वो लोग I don't know 500 meter away से कुछ पकड़े, and the thing is loud enough कि हमको भी सुनाई दे.
Right.
And to those who follow us, who are following us from the very beginning, you people know कि जब हमको कुछ आवाज़ें सुनाई देती है, we try to debunk it and we try to find out कि कोई natural reason से आ रही है क्या. And many of the times, even though आपको कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है, we don't take it as an evidence because हमें पता है कि it came from a natural source, so हम लोग उसको consider नहीं कर सकते. But this thing, it was different. And I think these are the experiences, like this is one of the experiences, and essay experiences are there in the book, The
Yes.
Spirits Talk to Me.
Yes. 10 such experiences.
Yeah,
amazing
the
ones.
book is surreal, and so are the stories. They are literally hair raising because abhi just 5 minutes pehle one of my friends has said ke he has yet to overcome the midnight scares he got by reading the book.
I read
that.
that.
So I think people are loving the book. Okay, it's too early. People are liking the book. They are because कैसा है the entire book जो stories हैं, they are not just stories but they are real encounters, and it's not happening at a haunted location. It is happening with people who are living at their residential places or at places where kids are involved, where old people are involved. So this is what makes the stories different.
Yes.
And though we have said it numerous times why these 10 stories are special to us, but yeah, this is one of the reasons. And
it also covers our feelings, and I mean, I have been saying this because it's so beautifully covered in the book that what we as investigators, what we as psychics go through when hum log investigation kar rahe hain, when we are dealing with people having paranormal experiences.
Because if you remember, at many of the locations, especially the last location we were in couple of days before, last night only, you were saying, okay, let's try to communicate at this place, let's try to communicate at that place, जो कि मुझे as an investigator who clearly depends on devices, मुझे नहीं पता चलता है. So that is what even makes our investigation different, because we don't just go, like I said, we don't go just from एक इंसान का point of view.
We see different perspectives. एक psychic के perspective से देखा जाता है, एक investigator जो कि proper devices and scientific view रखता है, उसके point of view से देखा जाता है. So I think it's a beautiful blend that is beautifully described in the book.
Beautifully, as in spookily described. Yeah. Beautiful for us.
Beautifully.
We are psychos. Paranormal is beautiful for us.
Yes.
But yeah, they have been described really good by described as in written by Neil Bhai, really good. And yeah, so if you love the paranormal, or if you are intrigued by the paranormal and you are interested in getting knowing more about the world, I think this is your go-to book.
And isn't it amazing that it got released during the month of Halloween? That's October that we call. Amazing time to
actually read those stories. So I think this podcast jab aayega, Halloween must have already passed. But every day can be a Halloween if you are really into the paranormal, especially for us. Hum log.
And we are really missing ScareCon this time.
Yes.
Last year, इस time पे ScareCon हो रहा था, and we were preparing for it, and it was amazing.
Yeah,
it was amazing.
And those who don't know, ScareCon is our event. It's an event, not event. It's a convention.
It's a convention
that we organize, and it is Asia's biggest paranormal convention. No one dares attempting holding an event like that in India, not in Asia as well. And because people are not that interested, the Comic Con is famous because they love superheroes, they know Iron Man, they know Superman. But who knows paranormal investigators kaun hai? Who knows who are psychics? So I think ScareCon is the point where we bring in all those horror fans, irrespective of what they believe or not, who they follow or not. And
I think Halloween in general thoda celebrate hona chahiye. I mean, at least the horror fans and the paranormal fans should gear up and celebrate Halloween.
And so many footages from our friends who live in US or UK who are celebrating Halloween.
Such amazing decorations.
Yeah, they're so beautiful.
Spooky and amazing, and we are like, we need to do this here. At least the paranormal and horror fans should do it.
And I think we have started this trend right now, because what we did was this time, so people generally exchange gifts during Diwali. This time हमने क्या किया, to our friends and colleagues and well-wishers, हमने Halloween gift उनको भेजा. No one does it in India. So we sent it to a few of our close friends and associates and everyone, and we think we are going to try to continue for the rest of the years to come, because we want to make it a trend. And I think it should happen यार, मतलब
yes, जितना अच्छे से यहाँ पर बाकी चीजें सेलिब्रेट होती हैं. And I think ये जो months हैं from October to December, they are very special to me personally, because right from the festivals that we celebrate, भले वो नवरात्रि हो, दिवाली हो, Christmas हो, New Year's हो, जो भी हो, it has a very different vibe these last months.
And to actually cut you off and bring you back to Halloween, Halloween is ऐसा कुछ बन सकता है इंडिया में where there is no tradition to follow.
right.
You don't have to follow कि नहीं इसी दिन मुझे उठना है, इसी दिन मुझे ये रिचुअल करना है, वो रिचुअल करना है. It's like कि you just have to follow something. Of course, the other festivals are equally good.
It's a beautiful time to acknowledge the other side.
Yeah.
And it's well known that the veil is very thin during this period. When,
so many people actually who are reporting paranormal. I remember one of our colleagues again. She just shared that she completed the book. Reading the Spirits Talk to Me, and after reading the book, it's been a couple of days to that, and she is experiencing paranormal उनके घर पे. She is like कि मुझे shadows दिख रहे हैं, I am hearing things, my hair is always in goosebump mode क्योंकि I am constantly feeling something. So I just shared कि if you think things are going out of control, then please feel free to contact us क्योंकि लोग डर जाते हैं फटाक से. And I think this is also one of the reason why we should celebrate Halloween, because it is so famous in the West, it will also bring a lot of awareness.
Yes, definitely, because हमारी जो country है, it definitely needs a lot of awareness where this topic goes, where paranormal goes, क्योंकि बहुत सारे हम ये चीज़ हमेशा बोलते आए हैं कि बहुत myths है, बहुत superstitions हैं, तो जो सच्चाई है वो लोगों के सामने लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I think this is an amazing time to do that. And we will be trying to do that through our बाकी जो podcasts आने वाले हैं.
Also we have also tried doing that in the book.
Yes.
Because in the reviews, if you see the people who are reviewing the book are saying that we are loving the insight you people have given in the book कि paranormal होता कैसे है, and that was one of the aims for getting this book done, because not only we have shared the techniques we are using, the methods we are using, but we are also sharing what actually the paranormal world
is, and not what people believe it to be as. So so I guess you guys should read the book. जिन्होंने नहीं अभी तक पढ़ी है, you guys should grab this book. It will be worth it. You can trust us on that.
And so I think the book is really close to us as well, because it actually reflects what our feelings, how we are as a person. And so like she said, if you are interested in the book, in the paranormal, then please do grab a copy. It's available on Amazon, and Prime members will get some discount or something, I don't know, but it is there will be a link everywhere that you are listening to. But this also brings me to where we are about to discuss about what I forgot. क्या था यार? Even this was happening yesterday for some reason. मैं चीजें भूल रहा था. ऐसा नहीं होता है कभी, because
blanking out totally.
I was like, I'm going to say something, and then I will start the sentence, and in the middle I'm like,
blank.
क्या करने वाले थे हम लोग? This was happening a lot yesterday, and
you once again blanked out.
I think this is again the paranormal world doing something. But this is what it is. So the podcast will be very short. We'll be talking about the paranormal. We'll be talking a lot of things about the urban legends, the folklores, our experiences, and a lot of that.
And definitely, if you guys have something that you want us to speak on, then
feel free to
let us know. We have some things in our mind for sure, and if we find something really interesting coming from
I think we can give them an idea of the topics that are coming in. So few of the topics include possession, spiritual possession, demonic possession, whatever possession you want to call it. We also have
near-death
experiences. We also have type of haunting. So like I said, the podcast will be a blend of knowledge sharing, of experiences, and talking about how we dealt with certain things, certain cases that are not mentioned in the book. This is how the podcast is going to be. Of course, it will be a 5 episode like this plus 5 episode podcast, because we want to see how you like this this venture. If you like it, if if we see that you people are liking us, then we will get a second season of it, maybe with more topics and a lot of other things.
Do let us know if you want a particular topic to be covered.
Yeah.
Then we'll definitely consider that.
Yes, and yeah, this podcast is available on YouTube, on Spotify, on iTunes, and every other podcast platform. So if you are new to this channel and you like this segment, this chota sa episode of the Unheard Reality podcast, then please do please do let us know what more we can do on the podcast, because we are new to this. Never been into podcast, really into podcast, and we really want to take this ahead.
So your suggestions are most welcome.
Yes.
And
I think that's it. We want to keep it short and simple, and yeah, this is what it is, the Unheard Reality. This is Harbashit
and Pooja,
and we are signing off for the first episode. Bye.
Bye.